Hello. Today I'll be demonstrating the basic networks, um, like troubleshooting commands on my Mac for the computer networks lab. So the first command it's ipconfig. So this exact command, if we type, it displays the IP address and configuration of all network interfaces on the system. And here we can see a lot of interface name, which is starting from EN0, and it's mentioning about its ethernet type and status, and on which our wi-fi adapter along with the ip address and subnet mask and even the mac address, it shows fully on the details if we type the command ipconfig. So the next command, it's ipconfig, not ipconfig, it's ipconfig, it's ifconfig. So what it does is, like, it shows a detailed information for all the network interfaces, including those that are currently inactive. And this is the Mac equivalent of ipconfig of all, which we use on Windows. So we use it ifconfig underscore, not underscore, dash a in a Mac. So the next command, it's so the next command. So the next command we use is scutle dash dash a DNS. So what this does is, like, it displays the DNS server configuration and the DNS servers, which translates the domain names like google.com into IP addresses. So this command shows which DNS systems our servers run in a system which is configured to use, and that is what it displays when we type scutle.dns. And next, it is next command, it is, yeah, solver. So okay, okay. So the next command, it's ping for google.com. So what this exact command does is that the ping command tests network connectivity to a remote host, and the C4 option sends only 4 packets. The output shows the response time for each packet and the packet loss percentage. So we can say that 0% packet loss indicates there's a stable connection. If there's like more packet loss, then we can say that it's unstable connection. So I run this command for like around 10 seconds, and these were the updated queries from that. And after that, the command I used is nslookup for google.com. And what this does is, like, the lookup queries DNS servers to resolve domain names to IP addresses. So it shows which DNS servers was used and the IP addresses associated to that DNS servers, and with its domain name especially. And this verifies that the DNS servers, like, let's say, this verifies that the DNS resolution is working correctly. So even for this, I just like run that command for around like 10 seconds, and these were the updated queries. And the next, it is, yeah, and the next, it's netstat so what netstat does, it's like it displays all the active network connection and its listening ports, as you can see. And this helps to identify what servers are running on which external connections are established in our system specifically. And this is what that netstat-an does. So the next command what we are going to use, it is yeah. And that's all we have done. So we have successfully demonstrated all the basic network troubleshooting commands on Mac OS. And these commands are essential for what to say. It's a very essential tool for diagnosing and resolving network issues. And thank you.